Have you thought of purchasing the Charlotte Tilbury's iconic Beauty Trio Cheek Kit but aren't sure whether your $100 plus will be spent well? Hey everyone, welcome to today's Yay or Nay product review series where we review not sponsored products. In today's episode, we're taking a close look to the Charlotte Tilbury iconic Beauty Trio Cheek Kit, which consists of a contour wand, highlighter wand, and a matte blush wand. Charlotte advertises on our website that you'll get 5% off when purchasing the holy trio altogether. That's approximately 6 to 7 euros off of my 108 euros worth purchase. Hello, I'm Haja. Welcome to my channel. If you're into beauty, makeup, and lifestyle topics, make sure to follow me on my journey by subscribing to my channel. Thank you. All three come in similar packagings. The contour wand's packaging is a Bordeaux with rose gold marking, and the beauty light wand and matte blush wand come in a light rose pink with rose gold markings as well. The back packaging shows the ingredients list, which are harmless and vegan friendly. The products come all in long tubes with a content of 12 ml. The contour wand has a bronze color, the matte blush has a matte mauve pink shade, and the beauty light wand has a light nude rose shade. The Hollywood contour wand comes in two different depths of shade. One is a lighter ashy shade for fair to medium skin shades, and the second shade is a deeper warm brown shade for medium to deep skin shades. I chose the fair to medium shade because I had the medium deep shade in the past and it was just too intense. Now onto the matte blush wand. Here we have 4 different shades: Pink Pop, Peach Pop, Pillow Talk, and Dream Pop. I have the shade Pillow Talk, which is a mauve pink shade suitable for every skin tone. By the way, in my previous video I reviewed the matte blush wand in detail. Please check it out if you have not yet. The Beauty Light wand comes in 6 shades, which are Pillow Talk Original and Medium, Spotlight, Goldgasm, Peachgasm, and Pinkgasm. I have the Pillow Talk Original, which is a light nude rose shade, perfect for fair to medium skin shades. The tubes all have a cushion applicator for a more effortless application, or maybe not. I just spilled half of the little content just because my camera lagged for a few seconds. Whatever, you have to be really careful when squeezing the tubes. Let's try them on the back of my hand first to experience the texture and pigments. They all have liquid texture to them, feel the same while blending on the skin. The matte blush wand just turns out matte once it is dabbed into the skin. The Beauty Light wand glows naturally and beautifully. Now onto the application. The products all have the same instructions, which is twist to open the tube, squeeze product, twist to close, and dab the products onto the skin. I first apply the contour wand by applying a few spots under my cheekbone. Then with my multitasking buffer brush by my own brand Alpha Makeup, I blend the products upwards, back and forth. I think I need a second layer for suitable intensity, hence I go over the application and this time blend it with my fingers. It does blend well, but I don't know why it looks edgy instead of faded. Wait, I notice a patch of skin that has no contour on it. Maybe it will go away once I apply the other products? Let's hope so. Next, I apply the matte blush wand right on top of my contour cheekbone area and the apples of my cheek. I blend the product with my finger while dabbing. I would recommend you to not use tools using the liquid products because you'll need more product, and to be honest, the content of the products is so little for the money you pay. Anyway, now I apply the Beauty Light wand and Pillow Talk on top of my cheekbones to highlight it. I apply a few dots and then again dab with my fingers. Okay guys, the gap under my cheekbone does not blend in with the other products and looks now muddy. I had the medium to deep contour wand in the past and all I remember was it was too dark, and this one looks muddy and patchy. Also, when the contour wand dries, before you blend it, it will definitely look patchy, so you need to hurry once applied. However, I didn't let this one dry, so I don't know why I'm experiencing this. As you're observing, I'm removing the products to reapply all over again. Okay, the second time it worked better. However, I feel like this product could do a little more than just creating a sleek shadow line. Could also bronze a little like the other contour ones I have used in the past, like the one from Rare Beauty. However, the results do look okay, especially the matte blush and the Beauty Lightwand create a nice combo together. In the day and evening light, the application looks nice as well. In both lights, we have a soft, smooth finish which looks appealing to the eyes. Also, the glow is still nice and intense like before. Here is the application after 8 working hours. The products are still on my skin, especially the blush that normally does fade away quite fast on my skin. On to the pros and cons of the iconic Beauty Trio Cheek Kit. The pros are you have shades for all skin tones, long-lasting application, natural even finish, at least for the matte blush and the Lightwand. The cons are the price. It is definitely too expensive. I'd say you're paying half the money for the branding. The contour one disappointed me once again. It has a muddy shade that when applied looks edgy and not nicely blended. You need more product than advertised, definitely more dots than Charlotte tells you to apply. Conclusion. So my conclusion is I would not spend my $100 plus on the iconic Beauty Trio kit, as the contour one disappointed me. Maybe I'd go for the combo glow and blush beauty kit again, because I do like the blush and the Lightwand. Unless you earn goods or you're a fan or like me review products as your job, I would look for more budget friendly options. So is the Charlotte Tilbury iconic beauty trio kit a yay or nay? Unfortunately, and mainly because of the contour wand, it is a nay. I recommend you to get the blush and Lightwand in a kit instead. By the way guys, I have found a dupe-like trio cheek set from the budget-friendly brand Makeup Revolution, which only costs $18.99, and I want to test and compare them to the Charlotte Tilbury trio cheek kit. Would you be interested? So let me know in the comment section. Also let me know whether the Charlotte Tilbury's trio kit is or would be a yay or nay to you in the comment section. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I upload every weekend, so see you next.